Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Etches into 30K Media. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be changing out my 2016 Prius C 12 volt battery. I'm a big fan of preventative maintenance, so if you guys are watching this video and you guys want to do something to your car and keep it running smooth, I recommend every probably 5 to 6 years to change out the 12 volt battery. I purchased the original OEM Toyota battery. It's a True Start one. It comes with a 7-year warranty. So if you go to Toyota, you can pick that up. I got this for about $270. This is before the core exchange, so once you exchange the core out, it's about $260 something after tax. The model number is the 00544-21181-320. I'll put that out in the description right up there. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and take apart the old battery, put the new one in, and then I'll go through the steps so you guys can get an idea if you guys are wanting to change out the battery. This battery is going to be located on the lower right passenger side. So as you look right down here, you're going to see 3 clips. One clip right here, one clip right there, and one clip right there. Because you're definitely going to be damaging these or breaking them. And just gently pull them off from the side with your hand. Just lift up and pull out and put it down. So as you can see, the battery is located right here. The hybrid fan is also right over here on the other side. Make sure you keep that clean. But in this tutorial, we're gonna just take out the old battery and make sure we put the new one in. So let's start with step 1. So you see the 10mm nut right here. You're gonna take a 10mm and loosen that up. Here there's another 10mm nut. Go ahead and loosen that up. Next, go ahead and remove the bracket, put it down. Now if you lift up the cap right here, you're going to see the 10mm nut right there on the positive terminal and the negative one on the negative terminal. Go ahead and take a socket and remove the positive first and then the negative. Now you have the 2 batteries side by side right here. This is the one I'm going to replace it with. It's the date set right here to 3/21, so it's fairly new. And this is the original Toyota battery that came with the car when it was purchased. And as you can see, the part number is S34B20R. I think this one is looks like it has some Japanese writing on it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and swap this in. Make sure you put the plastic cover back on before you put it into the vehicle. Go ahead and remove the positive, the negative terminal post protectors. Before you install the batteries, you're going to make sure you put the positive first, which is on this side, and then after that you're going to go negative. So the order is positive red, then negative black. Goes right here, the breather tube goes into that hole in the side of the battery. Make sure you install that first, and then go ahead and install the battery. Hand tight, not too tight so you don't strip it. Enough so it keeps it secure. Go ahead and put back this panel. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that because it's just self-explanatory. Put it back in the way you took it out, and you should be good to go. Test your car out, make sure it turns on and everything starts up,